Right now, guys, this is we have now arrived in Marseille. As you can see, the ship is turning. It's turning to park, right? It is turning to park. It's turning to park. It's now turning to park. This is now Marseille, at the port of Marseille, right? Port of Marseille. It's turning now to park, right? So it's going to park. As you can see now, it's going to park. Right. This is lovely stuff. Wonderful. 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 It came straight and then it came yeah, shake air. And now, why is like as if it want to show us a place where there's no houses, no place, no are we gonna see? Why it's like it's as if it has stopped now, but it's still going. It's turning like as if it's a car turning. Hey, to travel is nice, guys. Yo, hi, Shem.